Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are all doing well. So welcome back to my channel. Now I am starting the lectures of C++. So this is my first lecture. In lecture number 1 we will discuss about the exercise examples of chapter number 4 in C++. In this video there are two tasks about C++ which is from chapter number 4 of object-oriented programming. Task number 1 is a program that prints a text of 4 lines consisting of characters, integer values and floating point numbers. And task number 2 is a program that input radius of sphere from the user. It calculates its volume and surface of area. So let's go to the video.